Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. So Eid is coming up, so I wanted to show you a daytime look that can be worn by anybody. It's very simple and gets done very quickly. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with priming my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Any primer forms a sticky base on your face and that'll help the foundation stick on your face for longer, so that'll make it long lasting. This particular primer helps to fill in the pores and the fine lines and smoothen out your skin as well. For foundation, I'm going with the Dream Liquid Mousse from Maybelline. This is in the shade 90, which is Honey Beige. This foundation is medium coverage, but also buildable to full coverage. I'm going to be applying it with a flat foundation brush. This foundation is one of my favorites for everyday use because it gives me the right amount of coverage. It doesn't look cakey. And as it says on the bottle, it does give you an airbrush finish. And now I'm going to take just a tad bit extra with my finger and I'm going to use this to conceal the darkness around my eyes. For simpler makeup, I work with less products and this is the way I do it. But if you feel like you want more coverage, you can definitely use a concealer. And now I'm going to set my face with the NYC loose powder. You can use any loose powder, translucent powder, pressed powder, whatever you want. This will help to kind of seal everything and it doesn't let the base move. I'm starting with the points where I feel like the foundation might crease, like around the eyes and around my mouth. And then I will set the rest of the face as well. To add some dimension, I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer. This is a matte bronzer. So I'm just going to be using this to contour the face very lightly. This helps to bring back some warmth into the face because when you apply a foundation, it makes your face look flat. I'm going to take the same bronzer with a blending brush to add some depth into the crease as well. This blending brush is from Folklore. And I'm also going to smoke it out and soften my lower lash line. To fill in my brows, I'm using the quickest method, using a brow pencil. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit in shade 6, which is the deepest shade that they have. From the Milani Luminoso highlighting palette, I'm taking this shade, which is kind of a muted antique gold shade, to highlight my brow bones as well as the inner corners. That'll help to lift your brows as well as separate out the eyes, and that gives the illusion of bigger and brighter eyes. I'm going to use the same illuminator to bring some brightness and that glow into the face as well by highlighting the high planes. To prep my natural lashes for falsies, I'm going to first line my top waterline using the Jordana Easy Liner in black. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. The one that I'm using today is the O2O Gold Mascara. And I'm absolutely loving this, especially for the lower lashes because of the way the wand is. It's very thin, so it doesn't smudge in the lower lash line. I'm also going to be using falsies. These are the Black Label Lashes in Brazen, one of my favorites. You can stop at mascara if you like, but if you like more fluttery lashes, you can go for falsies as well, just like I did. And you can see just adding those subtle touches without any eyeshadow, just using bronzers and highlighters makes your eye look so much brighter and bigger. For blush, I'm going with this peach-toned soft blush from Milani. This is their Luminoso Baked Blush in number 5. And for my lips, I'm going to be lining it and then applying a gloss. First, to line it, I'm using the Jordana Easy Liner in Cabernet. I'm going to soften this line with a lip brush before I apply a gloss. And for gloss, I'm using this Luminoso Lip Plumper from Milani in number 4. And finally, I'm using a setting spray. This is the NYX Dewy Setting Spray. This will help to keep the makeup in place, doesn't allow it move, which makes it long lasting. Last but not least, I'm accessorizing using these stunning earrings from Sagiful. Her link is in the description box below. And here is the final look. This look is simple enough. In fact, I wear this look pretty much on a daily basis, minus the false lashes, of course. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you did. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box below. If you plan to recreate this look or any of my other looks, don't forget to tag me. My social media accounts are also in the description box below. I love you guys so much. Eid Mubarak in advance to all of you. And I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye, guys.